This is the cosori Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The exterior and the front is made of stainless steel. The back and the interior is made of galvanized metal. They also included 3 trays, a fryer basket, a wire rack, and a food tray. And they also have a pull-out crumb tray that is detachable for easy cleaning. The front buttons give you options to change your cooking preferences, and the knob on the right side gives you options to select your cooking functions. But let me show you how it works. Let's say we're going to use the air fryer function. I select my temperature, change it to the temperature that I want, change the time, and then I want to use Fahrenheit instead of Celsius. And when I'm ready to go, press the knob to start air fryer. But I want to pause it, so press the knob again to pause. But if I want to cancel the air frying, just press and hold the knob, and the air fryer is canceled. But let me show you why it's called a smart air fryer. I'm going to show you a very cool feature of this air fryer. Alexa, turn on air fryer, bake for 230 degrees in 30 minutes.
Air frying referendum is at 230 degrees.
Alexa, turn air fryer off.
Okay.
And this smart air fryer is not only Alexa compatible, you can even control the smart air fryer using an app. All you need to do is connect this air fryer to your home Wi-Fi, install the app, and press start cooking. And if you want to stop cooking, just press stop cooking, and that's how easy it is. Now I'm selecting toast function, press start cooking, and there it is. All cooking preferences and cooking functions are available on the app. This is another way to easily control and use this smart air fryer. The size of this air fryer is just perfect in our countertop. And with its 12 unique functions, it saves us buying multiple appliances. And this is one appliance that you would want to have in your kitchen. So guys, this is the cosori Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Get yours today. And thanks for watching.